everyone, hope you're keeping well. This is another video of the Shangri-La London. This is the lobby on the 35th floor, and as you can see, the view that you can get on the far end is the St. Paul's Cathedral. As you walk further, you could see that there is the Sky Lounge. I think they serve Sky Brunch, where they serve you champagne along with some meals such as dim sum and other Southeast Asian dishes. When we walk further, to the left there is the Ting Restaurant, and to the right it's the lift to the hotel rooms. During this stay we were allocated 4304, and I'm going to show you a quick room tour. If you want to check out my previous tour, I've linked it up on the top right hand corner, just click on it. So the room is typical Tower Bridge view, and as usual Shangri-La provided us with some champagne and snacks and dessert, which is very kind of them, and of course the view that you get. And Sharon's hiding on the left there, not to get into the video, but the highlight of this room is, I think, this bathroom. You can see that the bathtub overlooks the city view, but if I pan around to the right, imagine, showering, taking a bath, overlooking this view. Next, I'm going to show you the Ting Restaurant, where you can have your breakfast and or lunch, dinner. This is also where you have your high tea. We've been invited to promote their Chinese New Year special, which unfortunately by the time you have watched this, it would have been over already. But as you can see, the dishes are very delicious and looks really nice, with abalone, which is a delicacy for Chinese. We were told they might bring the dishes back, so you definitely need to try it out. Lastly, after a meal, we had to go to the pool to burn the calories. But imagine having this view all to ourselves. Anyway, thanks for watching and have a lovely day.